Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge bad image error. This error usually means there are corrupted Windows system files affecting Microsoft Edge. First, run a system file scan. Open the Windows search bar, type CMD, and run command prompt as administrator. In command prompt, type the following command. Type SFC/scannow and press enter. Wait for the scan to complete, as this may take several minutes. Once finished, close command prompt and restart your computer from the Windows Power menu. After restarting, run the DISM command. Open command prompt again and run it as administrator. Type the DISM command shown on screen and wait for the process to complete. Once finished, restart your PC again. If the issue still continues, you can use System Restore. Search for Create a Restore Point and open it. Click on System Restore, choose a previous restore point, and follow the steps. After that, your issue should be fixed. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Microsoft Edge bad image error by scanning and repairing system files. This includes using SFC, DISM, and System Restore if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.